Avoid these comma catastrophes. Mastering adjective and adverb clauses. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another video in our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today we're going to conquer a common grammar problem: incorrect comma placement, specifically when dealing with adjective and adverb clauses. Comma mishaps are easy to make, but once you understand the rules, they are equally easy to avoid. So let's dive in. Before we tackle the issue of comma placement, let's have a quick recap. Adjective clauses, also known as relative clauses, modify a noun or pronoun. They often start with relative pronouns like who, which, or that. Here's an example: the car, which is red, belongs to my neighbor. On the other hand, adverb clauses modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often start with subordinating conjunctions such as because, since, or although. For instance, I went home early because I was tired. One of the most common mistakes when using adjective and adverb clauses is incorrect comma placement. Commas act as a pause in a sentence and help separate different ideas or elements. However, not all clauses need a comma. It depends on the clause's role in the sentence. In adjective clauses, use a comma if the clause provides additional, non-essential information. For example, my brother, who loves fishing, is going to the lake. You could remove the clause and the main idea, my brother is going to the lake, would still be clear. In adverb clauses, use a comma when the clause comes before the main clause. For example, because it was raining, I took my umbrella. The most common mistake is using a comma with an essential adjective clause or an adverb clause that comes after the main clause. Avoid this with the following rules. No comma with essential adjective clauses. The books that I borrowed from the library are due tomorrow. No comma when the adverb clause comes after the main clause. I took my umbrella because it was raining. And that's it, language enthusiasts. Remember, mastering comma usage in adjective and adverb clauses is a fantastic way to improve your English writing. I hope this video has shed light on the common mistakes and how you can avoid them. Keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll dodge those comma catastrophes in no time.